I have a question, Debbie.
Pappy not in yet.
Oh, okay.
Me? I'm Mr. Security. I was like, yes, thank you very much. Can I? I have fun every day.
Koso,
Yes, hon.
I want to ask if we are going to be able to use the system without the live wire eventually.
I let Optimus answer that one.
Okay.
What's your last name? Holloway. Thank you, Mr. Holloway. Have fun. So now we got the device. We might as well take it to the next level.
Yeah.
That's the whole thing, because I don't want to be crazy alone. That's why I give y'all the technology so y'all can become crazy too. Quantum crazy.
So we could, so we completely will be out of, because if we can run it, I mean, if we could just use it with just the plasma without, it's like it would be like the own creation. Like we don't have to use electricity. You know what I mean?
Well, the device needs the electricity because AC is not normal electricity. AC is known to the universe as quantum electricity.
Right, but AC without plugging, what I'm saying is that we don't have to use the service that we would have, that we can.
Oh, yeah, you can use your 12-volt battery, plug into an inverter, hook to the device, put some kind of another battery charger, recharge back to your 12
How about just the earth itself?
No, it don't like that. The earth and it is not. You must understand, two plasma energy come close together. That's you create a voltage potential. Lightning start to flare. You're thinking the earth and plasma get along. They don't get along. Because the earth has its own unique spectrum. The plasma device has its own unique spectrum. So these two don't get along at all. Because they both like two flying saucers, not getting along with each other. And that's why they're going to have a little indifferent. When you under earth plasma, you okay with her. But when you with plasma device, you okay with it. But if you step out between the two lines, you're going to get electrocuted. That's where you're talking about, oh, I want more electricity between the two.
So
yeah,
the plasma that's generated by Earth is a different plasma. Is that what you're saying?
It's a different time dilation effect, they call it.
Oh, I see.
The Earth has different time dilation effect. The time in the device is different time dilation effect. To you, it's like normal, but to the Earth, you may be either speeding up or slowing down in her, depending on your perspective.
Interesting.
Waiting for Pappy.
Can I have a Black Bean coffee and a cheeseburger, please?
Yes. Oh, what the heck? Yes, sir. How can I help? Very funny. Good. Booyah! Come on. You good, partner?
Pepe,
Yes.
I want to ask you, can you write a definition about cues and what they do? We don't have nothing written on the page,
Yeah, yeah.
like
Tell me
about and the people that don't know what they they don't they think otherwise, you know.
Oh,
And it's a pity if we don't make the
Primark,
definition there.
DHL, you know, everything is up those days. You don't really know who's company, you know.
Hello?
Yeah,
You want to know what a definition is?
DHL do everything for the Primark, like warehousing and the transport as well. So yeah, we serve the stores. We do deliveries to the stores, but actually work for the DHL, not for the Primark itself. Yes. And then you've got agency and all this fucking shit below.
Again?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yes, it's been repaired already.
so the simple answer,
Yeah, but yes,
the simple answer is,
I'm calling brother license plate Timothy. Yeah.
yeah. Simple answer is it's here. It's here to assist you for your ascension. So it's here to remember who you truly are.
Yes, I understand that, and
Yeah.
we know we talk about this, but people that don't know, and you go in the page, yes, on the P group, they don't see, they see just the diagram and something like that, but
Oh, it's not written on there. Okay. Well, it's
yeah,
still,
on the first time they don't understand. They look at numbers and
I understand. Yeah, I'm reading the frequency right now. Yeah. Yeah, the blueprint wasn't 100% finished yet. So because people were asking for it and asking, so we just sent it as we went and upgraded and upgraded. But now it's going to be upgraded again because we're going to be removing the coils out of it. So
okay, but
we will put the definition what the cues do and what it is.
okay. Yes, because it's a pity we lose people, you know.
Yeah.
If they look on the curiosity or uh, the I don't know the synchronicity
Yes.
they have and go there, they don't understand for the first time. So
Yeah. That's good that you brought that up. That's
yeah, thank you.
on
I
it.
need that too because I want to spread it, you know, and I want to speak same language,
Yeah. So
Okay,
even if
I
it's translated.
want to, okay, can you hear me, everybody? I want to tell you what they told me what Q and Q is. The Q,
Please write
okay.
it. Please write it. Write it
No,
down and
no, it's just gonna, no, it cannot be written. It's just gonna be short. It
oh
just
my.
means golden ratio of 1.618 and 3.14. The cone is 1.618. That means phi or phi, you know, PHI. And the other one, the Q, you see in the form, is the 3.14, which is pi. Which is Q.
Yes, Koso.
It also means quantum.
Excuse me, Mr. Doctor. You speak Latin now. For people who don't know what is phi, eh, we need to make a definition about what this Q does. Like, it will heal you. It will give you food and like energy. You know, you
Why
don't need that.
won't we ask the main one themselves?
This is the language we must talk, you know,
yeah, we
for
will put
people
that on
understand.
the blueprint. Yes.
And we can put,
We were doing that already, so we just didn't get there. Then the tech
yes,
went on a resort and stuff. So
yes, and we,
I need my team to help me out because I only have so many hours in the day. So
mhm.
basically, I talk, they type. So
Yeah.
so
and
yes, we're working on it. Definitely, yes. We're gonna do that really fast too.
and we can put the science behind too. Yes, it's not a problem, but we must speak to all levels, you know.
Yes, because there's people that understand in so many different levels, and
Yes,
like the way I explain my clients too, everybody has a different perception of understanding it. So based on their perceptions that I read, their internal emotions, I change the concept of explanation, that perception.
of course.
I totally understand what you're saying. Yeah, it is needed. Yes,
Okay, thank you.
it'll help. It'll help the expansion. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're very welcome. Thank you for bringing that up. Yeah. We were on it, by the way, so it's all good. I know that everybody's hungry. They want to know, but
It's just going so fast.
It is going so fast. Like, well, this is like 4 weeks, day and night, day and night, day and night, not a break. So that's how fast it went.
Yes, and it's a pity, you know, we make the effort and, you know, it's a little group and people are hungry, but not for knowledge necessary. They are hungry for food, you know.
Yeah.
And if we spread it very fast, it will grow fast and people
Yeah.
will suffer less, you know.
Yes.
So,
Well, we're getting there. I can only do so much in an hour in a day. So,
yes, I know.
I know. I'm trying my best. Okay. We had to get all these diagrams, all the projects done. We had to get all the builds, and we had to get all that done. We needed people to build Q6s. We needed testimonies from them. We needed proofs and all that. So those are all in place. And remember, everything we do is based on the plasma intelligence guidance. So it already knows the future. So I have no worry about it. Everything's synchronized at the right place, right time.
Yes, but the job, the ground crew, it's us, you know.
Yeah, but don't worry, it's already taken care of. You think?
Yeah, Alex, you can't worry about that, Alex. That is doubt and fear, and that cannot happen.
No.
No one's going to be missed.
Oh my
If
God.
someone is supposed to understand this, they're going to understand this.
Please,
The plasma
like-
intelligence is speaking right
I
now.
have no
Hold
knowledge of anything technical, and
It's
I'm
about-
supposed to understand.
it's about
Yes.
structure, man.
Yeah, it's about, but the plasma intelligence knows already
Mhm.
ahead of time and everything, and knows that it's getting done, and it's also putting us on the right track. It's
It
synchronized.
say the pyramid. That's
may-
why you gotta tell the people it's a pyramid.
Maybe that is why I speak about, you know.
Yeah. No, I totally understand what you're saying, Alex. I totally understand. It's all good.
Yeah.
I'm just letting you know that everything's being done. It's putting out everything in the right order. I just have to obey to it and not the humans. Everyone's taken care of. Don't worry. Every individual. They'll get it. Trust me. Don't worry.
That's right.
They
Uh,
can't
just
get anything else. This is the easiest thing they can get. They have to come back. They don't have a choice. The plasma will make them come back. So
Mm-mm.
they are the plasma. It's connected to all of them. So they might see it. They walk away. They're going to come back again. Then they're going to walk away. Then they're going to come back again, and then they're going to be stuck with it. Yeah, it is.
It's called trend. Okay, when you live in a town, all of a sudden you have 9 million people living in that city, and now suddenly 9 million people is doing it. Guess what? You have only 100,000 not doing. Guess what happened? That 100,000 start doing it too. Automatic.
Automatic, yeah. It's just planting seeds. Lots of seeds, heavy duty seeds. So we just getting the right people right now, the ones that you guys, we need you. You guys are the right people for it right now. So
Well, we are the first. We are the coconuts.
yeah, well, you guys have lots of pressure, lots of responsibility now. See?
Yeah.
So
I got a bone to pick with you, Alex. You say you're gonna start recording, all of a sudden you disappear. So maybe
No, man. I was right to you and
right, Pappy? We talk about it.
I was fell asleep. So to me, it's now. Even now, it's 5:30 in the morning.
no, you're up early.
Okay,
So,
that is understandable.
so
Yeah.
I cannot be only. I was right to you on
Yeah.
that date, and I know it was like 2 hours, and the meeting start, but I fell asleep in the chair. So I wake up. I wake up in the morning, and I will talk with you. In that, for a little, you know.
No worries.
That's okay.
I know you're just mocking me.
We like you now.
That's cold soul.
You're the funny guy.
No, because look, I'll be honest with you. Me and Pap, you see, you got with it. We have a lot of bad experience, you know. Like people start doing next, you know, they delete. I mean, it's then just like sabotage after sabotage unpurposely done by people who they cannot handle that we give them real stuff, the working stuff. Now they can't bullshit anymore, and they were addicted to the bullshit. And I'm not. I'm addicted to real stuff. ain't no allure, sir. That been closing for eons ago. They ran out of money in business. No one buys them. There's no food, no nothing but ghost town. Check out my time machine. If I got a time machine, I'll sell it to you for $600. That time machine.
Bought for $600.
Well, if it's so great, why they ran out of money?
This is my first day, a little break.
Remember,
Too long.
go. You can't open a place if you don't have customers. So
I have an extra surprise for you guys.
It's like a
that's
spaceship motor. It look like in the science fiction movie.
Pepe, can you make? I mean, making the 144 is a lot, but can I make? I should say different units to equal 144.
Different. Well, you know when all the queues, every queue that everyone builds, they connect with each other as a completion. Many, many completions. Many 144s.
Oh, okay.
It's really good to build a lot of these things. The teleportation.
the training ground is the Q24 and the Q6. Those are the training ground. Mhm.
You've already built the Maria your Q24, or are you working on it? You're working on it.
I'm working on it. It's getting there.
Yeah. I can feel it. It's around you.
It's around me.
Yeah.
Everything's ready. I just have to have the time. I did my cones today. Tomorrow I do my capacitors, and maybe after I do the 24, I'll get rid of that challenge. It just seems so big.
It is it's a little more technical, but take your time when you're doing it. It might take you a week to finish it off. Take your time. Label everything. Literally label everything. Take your time, really, because it's parallels and series in the same position. So it could be 2 parallels with 1 series, 3 parallels with 1 series, 2 parallels with 2 series, and 1 series with 3 parallels. They're all mixed up that way.
I still haven't been able to see you build one whole one. When do you guys plan to have another?
They're all recorded.
Oh, they are recorded?
Yeah. And I just don't have them, so the people that recorded are releasing them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There's some spots where they didn't record, but that's because, they spend, they bedtime, who has to go to work, right? So I understand that too. So. But we'll do another Q24 live build, so.
Oh, okay, good.
With the cones.
I noticed we don't see the German people anymore for some reason. And we don't see that, what's it called? The guy from Iranian. And he called me.
They are busy now.
They're probably building it.
Yeah.
They're probably getting all the capacitors ready.
The capacitors are the easy part.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's the connecting. Where is Nate? I haven't seen him.
Connecting is the hard part.
So I want to hear your story now. How did you guys got involved, like Rose Martin? How did in the heaven you found and hang out with Crazy Me and Peppy,
Well, what you used to say, Cosell struck a chord, and then I got on to the construction of the Q6, and then, as you can see, I've got down to the Q24. Now, what you say makes a lot of sense because I actually used to follow this guy here, and he had the same philosophy. And that philosophy is strikes a chord with me. And in fact, we when we started to build these things, and you got to even on the first day when Kesh had that interview with you on live stream, you connected with the plasma intelligence, shall we call it?
Mhm.
And I was quite impressed because it gave the truth. Now, the truth is that we're living in the now, and it's only for the good, and be happy. And that's exactly what my philosophy of 20 years with the guy over here had expounded. I do a lot of meditation, and what you guys say, and especially you and Pepe, I don't see much of Kevin, but you and Pepe are like souls, as it were. And even today, when you have this meeting, I didn't get any notification. I'm just running through my emails and my Facebook, and suddenly I see there's a meeting on. I pop onto it, and that's how I get onto the meetings. And it's extraordinary. But I would like, if it's possible, to get you to send us a notification, because I don't want to miss them, because I believe they're very important. And they're important for humanity too, I believe, because what you say, you term it all that is exactly what things are about. And there are other philosophies and other people like MTK who does good work, but what we're about here on Earth at the moment is what we are. Actually, we have to connect with all that is. And this seems to be a direct connection, which is very impressive to me. You understand that? I'm impressed with both you and Kusal and Pepe. As I say, not much in touch with Kevin, but I'm impressed with you guys. And you seem to be exactly what I'm about.
Oh, thank you, Ross.
Okay, you're good. Thank you.
Carlos, can you mute, please? The keyboard. It's very loud. Thank you.
You better say something, Pepe, because you're the only one that isn't muted.
Oh, me, yes. Thank you, Ross. I appreciate the compliments and all. We do the meetings every day, actually, pretty much at this time, or what is it, 7:30 my time right now, so maybe.
Also, Austin said he upload everything to some kind of YouTube channel, so check the chat. You can have the link.
Oh, that's the one from the 144, right, Austin? Cool, thanks, buddy.
Yes.
I appreciate your patience and staying up late. I kept everybody awake.
No problem. I enjoy it.
Well, now you're next to build one, so.
Are you in the talk chat, Ross Martin? Are you in the chat? because not Pepe, but Vera always places a note in there, an invitation to come to Zoom when he does it in the daytime.
Yeah, in the chat.
Yeah, that Power of Love.
Say it again.
That Power of Love chat.
No, I'm not in that. Power of Love.
You need to get him in the, yeah, then because Barra always puts some notifications. Someone will ask a question, and then he'll say, okay, well, let's go to Zoom and talk about it. But that happens all during the day.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it can be any time.
Oh, I see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this link is 24/7. So.
Is it? Oh, well, I'll get it up. I notice your numbers are increasing now. You're up to 18 participants, and they're increasing all the time. Over here, it's actually 20 to 11.
Well, the reason we do everything on Zoom, because we have a bad experience when we type and stuff, that's when conflict arises, misunderstanding and type. So by talking it out, you can feel the person's soul and spirit, so everything comes smooth in communication, you know?
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, I do want to thank you guys for that, because it feels more connected with the person.
Ross, I just
Not
added
to
you
mention
to the chat.
boys.
I just
I
added
don't want
Ross
to miss
to the
Alice.
chat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Pepe?
man, don't try to noise too loud, because they're going to come out,
Oh.
because they will complain. They will hunt you down, you know? Yeah.
Pepe?
Yes.
Carlos have a question.
Yes.
The plasma connection using just a live wire for magnetic and gravitational is different and can explain to my friends.
Why is it different?
Yes, I think that is.
Well, the cones will create an inviting magnetic and gravitational pull based on the will you're giving to them. With the coils, it's actually forced, but there is no more magnetic and gravitational. It's created through the cones now, through the fields interacting with each other. So the AC is giving you direct power to the AC, so it can condition, because the plasma loves AC. That's how it's going to nanocoat the whole planet.
Basically, it's the stargater, yes?
Yeah, well,
And the energy come to the stargate.
yeah, everything we do is AC, so plasma is going to manipulate the AC, right? Connection.
Yeah, but the
Because
plasma
AC
is a stargate
quantum energy.
in the middle.
What's that?
Koso, please repeat.
Because AC, what it created, long time ago, it talked to Nikola Tesla to create the AC system, but Tesla didn't know what is going on. It needs to create an AC for it to come into our world, because AC is needed for the device. The device run on AC, it is not run on DC at all. Because AC is the only, we call it the holy electricity, is AC. It's quantum energy, is AC, because it's 0 and 1 at the same time. Within 1 second, there's 60 quantum activity in it. You know, 60 cycle per second, right?
Yeah, continuum flow, quasi instantaneous.
Yes, sir, how can I help you? Yes, I remember you. Pass on.
Yeah, the key is also to connect with your devices, so you'll know things. Yeah, you're going to have a hard time explaining things to people, and you shouldn't.
You should not explain anything to people.
Let
Because,
them build. They'll
yes.
and they'll know. They'll have the knowledge by building, and they need to trust the field. And they need to start learning how to connect with their emotions to the field instead of using their physical mind, because they're just going to be stuck. They've been doing it for generations. The new knowledge is just, you're going to have to accept this is plasma. It's totally new. You're turning a new page. It's all new for everybody, and they just have to accept it. It just works. And as soon as you accept and trust, the sooner you guys are going to get all the information downloaded through your brain. You get everything you need to know. It'll be right there, and you'll have no more questions.
Until then, you speak.
Key. That is key. This is what we've been fighting for years and generations. We want to trust, but we don't. But we trust the vehicle. We put our lives in our hands in a vehicle. But we don't know what where the plugs and the combustion and how much percentage of gas is taken and where it's pulling. We just turn the key and drive and go. But we trust that, but we won't trust ourselves because we need proof. But we don't do that with the vehicle. You just pop in and go. That's the same concept.
Hey, okay.
Your emotion is your vehicle. Start trusting it.
The bullshit
Try
I
it.
got is too much.
It's not going to hurt. And if it doesn't work, then you can go back to the old ways. At least try it. Doesn't hurt to try. Test it out. And it is key, by the way. It's key to connect with your true self. Always.
Do you block off the mind, Pepe?
Pardon?
Do you block off the mind?
Thank you.
And when you say you run by emotion,
Well, you automatically block the mind once you realize that what the mind does. So then all of a sudden your mind is actually irrelevant. It's not.
Well, the reason you guys cannot feel because you don't trust. The device show you, when you plug it in, you touch it, kiss it. That's the show trust. If this thing works, it's not going to kill you. If it don't work, I mean, that means that the block is on you, not on the device. Because the device show you it's working already. So
I trust it implicitly, Console. I trust it. But in fact, I want to communicate with it, but I'm not able to communicate. But
yes, it's easy to communicate. Remember the feeling version device? I want you to send left hand a vibration or energy to my left hand for no, right hand for yes. And you communicate with that, yes or no. You know, and then you build rapport with it. As time, when you ask a certain question, it's sending you telepathic messages, a picture, and audio. You're not going to be like me and Pappy because some of you don't have that particular gene, we call it trust, to activate that particular gene. So it take a relationship with Poro. So you start with the basic.
yeah, that's good. I haven't heard that one before. Yes or no?
Yeah, that's how you start the feeling and how you train it. And you got to communicate it with it every day, just like you communicate with your friends and your family. It is another entity into another physical body, but it's not a human body. It's a different shell. All right. It's like when your baby is born. Guess what pops in there? Plasma. Boom, pops in. Okay, you build a mechanical device. Guess what pops in? Boom, plasma. See? One has all the senses and one doesn't. But it's plasma. One has zero space time and we have time. We create time. It doesn't have no time and space. That's why it manifests instantly when you ask anything. You give it a command, boom, it's done. Because it's zero space time.
Pepe, it's gonna help for the people coming in. The more we build, does it help them?
Oh, big time. You there's thousands. I'm telling you, I can feel thousands of them built, thousands, and they just my connection gets stronger and stronger all the time, and it's also expanding the strength on all of you as well, even the ones who built them, and humanity as well. What it does is synchronizes, it pulls them, right? It attracts them to it, and it starts attracting the mass slowly, more and more. So the more they build, the more it happens.
Yeah, because when I build my Q6, I can really feel it before I even plug everything together.
Yes.
That's pretty interesting.
What I did on 3-4 weeks ago is I opened the gates pretty much. I flooded the planet with all the collective consciousness, like billions and trillions of them, billions. Probably, let's say there's 8 billion people times that, another trillion billions of it. Like it's beyond the number. They're just flooded down just because it removed the fear and the doubt on humanity. That's what it opened it. It flooded it down. And that's why you feel the presence all around before you even put it together.
I got a request. Those who has not been added to the, what's it called? This Power Chat Lab. Please tell somebody because someone can add you because all my friend lists are full. And you got to be someone's friend or they can add you, you know? Thank you.
You're welcome. So, yeah. So the more we build, the faster, the better it is. And it will enhance all your abilities as well. It'll start removing it slowly, and you'll start remembering. You're going to get all the abilities. You're going to connect in your own different way. You can all do what I do, what Coleslaw do, what everybody does. We can all do it. There's no one better than the other. We all have this ability. It's just who trusts is more, gets more. Right? That's just how it is. I surrender myself to my higher self, but I don't surrender to my physical body.
Okay, let me check. That's okay.
So I gave up my body. I gave up my life because I know I can't die. Once you realize that, you dropped fear, doubt, everything, and you know, knowing yourself is just, you have power. You're free. So that's how you get your knowledge. You'll just download like flood. But you all have that. And, so, and I can tell you that they're working on the telepathy on every human for communication on the other beings throughout the universe. So you can feel the intentions, and you can feel that they're not here to harm you. And that builds trust as well. So you will start seeing that. And the builds of the cubes is for that purposes too, right? You can go the old-fashioned way, but you from the future brought this technology. You asked for it, or else it wouldn't have came. So you already knew about this technology. You brought it in, so accept it. It's here to assist you and help you, so you can have that power. You're not going to be able to do it on your own. It's going to take a lot of centuries. First, you have to drop all the judgments, drop all the linear stuff, become one with all, pretty much, when you drop that. How long is that going to take? You can do it right now, but are you guys capable of doing it? Not many. It's rare. Because it's the realization of understanding how your brain works. When you realize that, that is a huge shift. It changes your whole world. You'll start seeing the world in a different page, in a different way. Just realize it. Start figuring it out, realizing it. Why do people unmute? No. Cool.
Pepe here, can I add something? Sridhar here, hi.
Yeah, ask a question. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, see, the way I would like to articulate is, so there's a domain called experience. You know, some things can't be explained, like balance, you can't explain it, but you can definitely experience it. And the people who don't know how to balance a bicycle, no explanations, no videos, no nothing, they'll not get it.
Yeah. But
once you get it, you get it. Then you get it. You don't try to understand it anymore. You just gotten.
And then you drop it. That's exactly the same thing with plasma.
Yeah. So we just need to build it, keep all our conversations in the head aside.
Yeah.
And build it, experience it, and share.
Yes. Because you need the experience to have a realization. So
absolutely.
That's what your body does there in your five senses. So
absolutely.
That helps you. But you just have to take it in a good way and not in a bad way. Because the one surprise we all humans had that were not aware when they came to planet is they got a present of duality. They didn't expect that. So, but duality is there for that. And because of the duality, it creates separation. When you create
I suppose we are kind of stuck in a model of communication where we just learned how to survive. And, it doesn't fit into that model of communication where you want to survive.
Yeah. Well, your body, your body's the one